Here I have NISSAN Ariya NISMO, and let me show you how to use ferries on your navigation, and also let me show you how to avoid ferries, of course. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, all you need to do is use the home screen. Then on your screen, let's open the navigation by using the left side of the screen. So if you tap the navigation button, you've got access to the navigation app. Now you can find the settings icon. The settings icon is located right here at the top of the screen. If you tap the settings, you've got access to the navigation settings. So here you can check and change the map settings, routing preferences, and more. And right now you need to open the routing preferences section. So the second one right here, routing preferences. Now you've got the whole list of features that you can use, and one of them is use ferries. You can enable or disable this feature just by using this toggle. And basically that's it. If you enable this feature, the navigation will include routes that require a boat ferry crossing if it's the only or fastest way to cross a body of water. If you keep this off, the car will plan a route that drives around the water, even if it takes much longer. So depending on your needs, on your preferences, you can enable or disable this feature. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.